Did you know the glass bottle market is set to hit $100 billion by 2030? Here's why starting glass bottle manufacturing business in 2025 could be your next big opportunity. Glass bottle manufacturing, a lucrative business opportunity in 2025. Hello everyone. Today, we're exploring a highly promising industry you're familiar with, the glass bottle manufacturing industry. We'll cover market demand, production processes, machinery, opportunities, and key reasons to start this business. Let's dive in without further delay. Market demand. The glass bottle industry reached a global value of $73.18 billion in 2023 and is expected to surpass $100 billion by 2030, growing at a CAGR of 6.1%. This surge is driven by rising demand for sustainable packaging and its widespread use across multiple industries. Reasons to start this industry. Sustainability. Glass is 100% recyclable without losing quality or purity. Versatility. Used in beverages, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and food, offering multiple revenue streams. Quality preservation. Glass is inert, ensuring product safety for items like pickles, jams, juices, and more. Growing market. The steady rise in demand ensures consistent revenue opportunities. Key applications of glass bottles. Beverages, alcoholic, wine, beer, spirits, and non-alcoholic, soft drinks, juices. Pharmaceuticals, liquid medicines and vaccines. Cosmetics, perfumes, skincare products. Food, sauces, condiments, jams, and preserves. Machinery and equipment. Here's a quick look at essential machinery. Batch house equipment, silos, weighing and mixing systems. Melting furnace, regenerative recuperative furnaces, temperature controls. Forming machines, IS machines, single, double, triple gob machines, molds. Annealing Lehr, controlled cooling systems. Inspection equipment, optical systems, leak detectors, thickness gauges. Packaging machinery, palletizers, shrink wrap machines. Manufacturing process. The glass bottle manufacturing process involves 6 key steps. Raw material mixing, sand, soda ash, limestone, and cullet are mixed. Melting. The mixture melts at around 1500 degrees Celsius. Forming. Molten glass is shaped using blow or press blow techniques. Annealing. Bottles are cooled slowly to prevent internal stress. Inspection. Final quality checks are performed. Packaging. Good quality bottles are packaged for distribution. Opportunities for startups. Here are some lucrative opportunities for new businesses. Niche markets. Create specialized designs for craft beverages or premium cosmetics. Lightweight glass. Develop lightweight, durable bottles for easier transport. Customization services. Offer personalized bottle designs for boutique brands. Smart packaging. Integrate QR codes or NFC for product authentication and info. Growth drivers. The key factors fueling growth in this industry include rising beverage consumption, increased global demand across cultures, eco-friendliness, growing preference for sustainable, recyclable packaging, pharma and cosmetic boom, expanding industries driving glass container demand, technological advancements, improved efficiency and reduced production costs, reduced plastic use. Many nations are shifting away from plastic packaging. How we can help? With 40+ years of experience in startup consultancy and resources from NPCS, we provide detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, market research and analysis, insights on manufacturing processes, machinery and raw material specifications, complete financial guidance and compliance assistance. We also offer technical books across various industries. For deeper insights, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching this video on starting a glass bottle manufacturing business. Best of luck. Contact us for more details.